Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best neodymium magnets is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your collection, offering an incredible range of applications from DIY projects and home organization to scientific experiments and industrial uses, making them an indispensable asset for hobbyists, educators, and professionals alike who seek strong, reliable magnetic solutions. Number 5. Super cute glass fridge magnets, planets. Introducing our premium quality decorative magnets. These cute, clear glass magnets feature vibrant planet designs and a strong grip. Each one is designed to add a touch of fun to your space. Crafted from durable crystal clear glass with powerful magnets, these are built to last. They hold photos, notes, and artwork securely without scratching surfaces. Perfect for any magnetic surface. Use them on your refrigerator, microwave, locker, or whiteboard. They're ideal for both home and office organization. Looking for a unique gift? These decorative magnets make a fantastic choice for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays. They're a thoughtful present for anyone. These colorful magnets are perfect for decorating your kitchen, office, or classroom. They'll help you keep messages, photos, and important documents in place with style. As a special bonus, each set includes 12 cute planet stickers to further personalize your items. Get creative and make your space uniquely yours. What we like. These are adorable glass magnets featuring planets, perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your fridge or locker. They come with bonus planet stickers for extra fun. If you love cute and decorative items and want a strong hold for your photos and notes, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold well. The magnets are a good size and easy to handle. The magnets are versatile and can be used for various purposes. Number 4. Magnetic Men Travel Toy Set. Introducing the perfect travel toy for kids ages 3 to 8. Keep them entertained quietly on any journey with these 10 magnetic figures. They are compact, screen-free, and parent-approved. Spark imagination and develop essential skills with these magnetic figures. Kids can build, connect, and explore endless possibilities, making learning fun and engaging. These magnetic men are ideal for keeping restless hands busy and minds calm. They provide satisfying sensory input, making them perfect for classrooms and children who need extra focus. Crafted from safe, non-toxic materials with securely encased magnets, these toys are built to last. They meet strict safety standards, ensuring peace of mind for parents. These versatile magnetic figures are more than just toys, they can be used as fridge magnets or desk fidgets. They make a fantastic gift for any occasion. What we like. These magnetic men are designed for travel, offering a quiet, screen-free activity for kids on the go. They encourage STEM learning through creative play and are also great as a sensory fidget toy. If you're looking for a way to keep your child entertained and engaged during long trips or in quiet environments like restaurants or classrooms, these are ideal. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold well. The magnets are a good size and easy to handle. The magnets are versatile and can be used for a variety of purposes. Number 3. Magnetic people figures for kids. Introducing our magnetic people figures, designed as the ultimate travel companion for kids. Their compact design sticks together or to magnetic surfaces, ensuring mess-free, quiet entertainment on the go. Safety is our top priority. These figures are built with premium, durable materials and fully enclosed magnets, adhering to strict safety protocols. They are a safe choice for toddlers and young children. More than just toys, these magnetic figures are powerful STEM tools. They promote cognitive development, spatial thinking, and problem-solving skills, encouraging endless open-ended play. Help restless hands stay busy and calm big emotions with these quiet magnetic fidget toys. They naturally promote focus and concentration, keeping children joyfully engaged in creative play. These satisfying magnetic toys aren't just for kids. They're great for teens and adults seeking stress relief at their desk, and can even double as fun fridge magnets at home. Each set includes 24 brightly colored magnetic people figures. They make an excellent gift for any occasion, providing lasting educational value and screen-free entertainment. What we like. With 24 magnetic people figures, this set offers even more creative possibilities for kids. They are made from safe, durable materials and are perfect for quiet, imaginative play. If you want a versatile toy that doubles as a fidget, a learning tool, and a fun way to decorate surfaces, this is a great option for extended creative sessions. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold well. The magnets are a good size and easy to handle. The magnets are perfect for my needs. Number 2. QUOKKA Magnetic Educational Puzzles for Kids. Introducing our magnetic puzzles, designed for children aged 2 to 8. These engaging puzzles make learning fun and help develop essential skills. Explore countries, capitals, oceans, and planets with our vibrant map puzzles. They're a fantastic way to prepare your child for school while improving memory and motor skills. Each puzzle features large, durable magnetic pieces with unique shapes, perfect for little hands. They are designed for hours of enjoyable play. Keep your child entertained on long journeys. These sturdy magnetic puzzles are ideal travel games for car rides and airplane trips. Beyond maps, these puzzles introduce children to various animals and their habitats. It's an exciting way to learn about the natural world. Looking for a great gift? Our 24-piece magnetic puzzles offer a fun and educational activity for the whole family. Give the gift of learning in quality time. What we like. These magnetic puzzles focus on learning through play, featuring maps of the USA, world, and space. The pieces are large, sturdy, and magnetic, making them great for travel. If you're looking for an engaging way to teach your child about geography and space while keeping them entertained on car rides or flights, these educational puzzles are a perfect fit. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold well. The magnets are a good size and easy to handle. The magnets are versatile and can be used for various purposes. Number 1. Drama Planet Air Dry Clay Kit. Unleash your creativity with our Air Dry Clay Kit. It has everything you need to get started right away. Forget the kiln or oven. This clay is designed to air dry naturally. It's soft, easy to shape, and comes in convenient resealable containers. Make up to 8 colorful fridge magnets, mini decorations, or unique artwork. Display your creations proudly around your home. This clay is incredibly soft, lightweight, and beginner-friendly. It sticks to itself, making it simple for little hands to mold, blend, and decorate. Get inspired with over 25 designs in our guidebook. It offers step-by-step instructions to help kids create with confidence. Looking for a fun gift? This arts and crafts kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or family craft time. Kids can make and share their own unique magnets. What we like. This kit allows kids to unleash their creativity by making their own fridge magnets from air-dry clay. It includes all the necessary materials and a guide with over 25 designs. If you're searching for a fun, hands-on arts and crafts activity that results in personalized decorations, this kit is perfect for a creative afternoon or a unique gift. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold well. The magnets are very powerful and can hold a lot of weight. These magnets are great for science experiments and educational purposes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.